Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to unlock a group chat on WhatsApp. So you have to open your WhatsApp on the Android device or iOS. So solution is the same for both devices. So you have to just open your WhatsApp and you have to go to three dots and click to the settings of WhatsApp, and there is privacy and you have to scroll down and there is chat lock option. You have to click to the chat lock and unlock and clear, and lock chats are removed, unlock and clear. So you have to fingerprint and it will be unlocked a group. So go back to check on the profile. So there is my family group. It has been recovered to the back from the chat locked off group. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.